What is learning theory?
Learning theory is learning through theories.
Please explain further.
Huwag mo yung tulis. Hindi ko kayong salita.
Mr. Arevalo,
Yes?
please explain further the behaviorist theory.
Behavior. Learning behavior.
Start. Please read creativity and innovation and explain.
Creativity and
Yes,
innovation. Creativity